December 18th, 2025, 10 hours, 15 minutes, 48 seconds.
So, Johnny, you got to go too. Hey, we have a fire right there at State 4 Regional Airport.
Hey, what's the phone number you're calling from?
What is
your
it,
name?
buddy? What do we got? What do we got?
What's your name? Tell me exactly what's happening.
We have a plane crash at the end of runway 28, and it's a big fire. 257.
All right, I'm going to type in some notes real quick, okay?
Hello? Hello?
All right, I'm still here, ma'am.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still here.
Okay, we have a plane crash, a plane
Yes,
fire.
I understand. Yes, we have help on the way, okay? I just need to gather some information, okay?
Okay, I will try to answer that.
What type of aircraft is involved?
What type of aircraft is that? A Citation. It's a small jet. Small mid-size jet.
Where is the aircraft now?
It is at the end of runway 28, which is the west end. Going to be near the golf course.
Okay. Is a building involved?
Let me see if I can get you switched to my handheld because I can't see. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me still?
Is a building involved?
No building involved. No building involved. No. It's on the airfield. They'll have to come up through our gate, which is on West Aviation Drive.
Okay. Okay. If you get any new information, please call us back immediately, okay?
Okay, I don't know how many people are on board, but I do know there's at least 2 pilots, probably at least 4 passengers. Not sure that's a definite number, but at least 2 pilots, at least probably 4 passengers.
2 pilots, 4 passengers.
It's not a definite number, though. I don't know how many's fully involved.
Of course,
Okay.
All right. So just take a deep breath for me, okay? So I got at least, to your knowledge, I got 2 pilots, 4 passengers. And what else did you get?
It's a Citation. It's a Citation 2. That's the type of airplane.
Citation 2. You're
yes.
doing a great job. Look at you. You're doing a great job, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, what else you got? Why don't we stay in line so we can get more information for the units, good? All right.
Okay.
All right. What else you got for me, okay?
They came from Sarasota, Florida. I don't know how much fuel they have on board. I have no idea. If you can let the fire department know, we have an off-duty volunteer firefighter that pulled the ARF truck out, so it is here and ready for them to jump in when they get here.
All right, give me one moment while I make a room announcement for that, okay? You're going to hear a quick...
You have to tell people the airport's closed. When you hear people on the radio, you have to tell them that State Regional Airport is closed. Sorry, I'm trying to give direction on radio.
All right, you're fine. I had to make a room announcement for the ARP truck. You're doing a great job. Thank you for telling me that, okay?
Yes.
All right, you guys are doing a great job, and yes, we do have multiple agencies coming out to help you guys, okay? We got EMS, fire, rescue, everything, okay? We even have the sheriff's office on board, okay?
Okay.
All right, you just tell me when the first arriving agency arrives there, okay? All right. Now, what else you got? Anything new?
No, it's a lot of black smoke.
Okay. Okay. You see any people coming out of the planes?
I can't see them from here. Unfortunately, I'm on the other. Is there any people out of the plane? Do you know? No, we can't. We can't tell. We can't tell. You can't. Okay. We cannot tell.
All right, you're doing a great job, ma'am. You hear me? You're doing a great job. And you said the ARC truck's out waiting for the responders? I already told them that.
Yes, there's someone pulling up now.
Someone pulling up now?
Yes, that is Iredell County Emergency Management.
Iredell Emergency Management?
Yes,
Okay.
Iredell County Emergency Management.
Well, since responders on scene, I'm going to let you go, okay? You did a great job.
Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Great job. Bye.
December 18th, 2025, 10 hours, 21 minutes, 20 seconds.